Hello everyone. There are many ways to propagate red Anthurium. Today I will guide you how to combine banana and honey to propagate red Anthurium. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. The special thing about breeding red Anthurium today is that I breed it using its flowers. We need to choose fresh, healthy flowers, cut just enough to your liking. Use garlic to disinfect and prevent pests by rubbing it on the cut area and peeling it. Use an anti-scarring agent at the cut point to prevent dehydration of the flower. It's great that you know the uses of bananas in flower care. I sliced the bananas as desired, then added the red taro. Prepare a suitable nursery pot and incubate the red Anthurium. To keep the moisture and help the red Anthurium take root and germinate faster, I use honey mixed with water to water the flowers. After incubation, we leave the nursery pot in a cool place. Now that the plant has rooted and sprouted, let's choose a suitable pot to plant the flower. To help the plant have enough nutrients to grow, I mix sliced bananas into the soil to plant red Anthurium. After planting red Anthurium, I use just enough honey mixed with water to water the plant. After 45 days of planting, I had pots of red Anthurium blooming and healthy. To make flowers bloom longer and more beautifully, we need to spray mist to create moisture for the leaves and flowers. Use a wet towel to wipe gently. This helps remove dirt, prevent mold and pests, and helps flowers retain moisture longer. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.